In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in CapCut. Whether you're looking to streamline your editing process or maintain a consistent style across all your videos, creating a reusable template in CapCut is a game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a ready-made framework that you can easily customize for any project, saving you time and effort while keeping your content visually cohesive. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step. Now, if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download the app and get started. First, open CapCut on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the large +Create Project button and click on it. This will open up a blank timeline for you to work in. Think of this as your creative workspace where you'll build the foundation of your template from scratch. Starting with a clean slate ensures your template is fully customizable and ready for any kind of project. Next, you'll need to import your media. This could be video clips, images, or even audio files that you plan to use as placeholders in your template. You can either drag and drop these files directly into the project window, or if you prefer, use the import buttons you'll see on the interface. Choose whichever method feels more intuitive for you. The purpose of this step is to set up the basic structure of your template. Remember, the beauty of a template is that these media files can easily be swapped out later with new content, so don't overthink the placeholders. Now, it's time to start adding and arranging the elements that will define the signature style of your template. This is where you can get creative. Insert text, intros, stickers, effects, transitions, and even background music to bring your template to life. Feel free to adjust the timing, the position, and the styling of each element until everything feels just right. Take your time here. These design choices are what will give your videos a unique and recognizable look. If you're unsure where to start, you can draw inspiration from your previous videos or check out trending styles in your niche to get some ideas. As you're designing, keep in mind that your template should be flexible enough to work across different projects, but consistent enough to reflect your brand's style. For example, you might want to use the same color schemes, fonts, and transitions across all your videos to create a cohesive identity. This balance between flexibility and consistency is key to making your template both practical and professional. Once you've finalized the design, it's time to save your work. To do this, return to the homepage by using the menu and back to Homepage Options. Don't worry about manually saving. CapCut automatically saves your project, so your template will be securely stored and ready for future use. After saving, you can locate your newly created template in the projects list on the homepage. This is where all your saved projects are organized, making it easy to find and reuse your template whenever you need it. Here's the best part. Whenever you're ready to create a new video, simply duplicate the template project. This will allow you to preserve the original editing foundation while replacing the placeholder media with new clips and content. It's a huge time saver and ensures that your videos maintain a consistent look and feel, no matter the project. And that's how you create a reusable template in CapCut. With this framework in place, you'll be able to churn out high-quality, on-brand videos in a fraction of the time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.